Ki khubor ka bate se TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Ka Apollo Hospital Enterprise Limited da ka jetri lang bat ka Trinity Healthcare Shillong kala Plie ka Apollo Trinity Medical Center Hanong ba Shillong ha ka khat khandai terik urempang arajar arsan ki doctor specialist na ki Apollo Centers bapher jongkari India kinsa don na kabenta ka jia salok ya ki nongpang ringkat lang bat ka kenhun ki doktor na ka ni ka jela ki bala pentibet bahaya ladi ha ka medicine gynecology pediatric cardiology bat oncology na lor ki wepat ki jinga jing sumar kani ka center ka don ye ki tiar sumar ba kenthop ya ka ECG TMT PFT ka ultrasound x-ray dental care physiotherapy bat ka integrated lab ya kani ka laboratory la penyeso bat ka Apollo diagnostic ban pentingna banyo ya ka high quality test result ka radiology department jongka center kadai ka penyeso bat ka Apollo tele radiology international kum ka jing penhe ya kani ka silam ajing sumar ka center kan ajing sumar dialysis endoscopy CT scan bat ka MRI ka center shen kan sapalat pad baru ya ka patient app ba kinong pang kinyo ban buosngi ban yakendo yiki doktor ban buosngi ban lechim snam na yeng ban yo yiki kaipot jingtep ya kinong pang lingba ka digital ban pensuk susu yaki nongpang ha ka medical consultation ka center ka thumu ban terbaru ya ka telemedicine consultation bat ki doctor specialist jongka Apollo na Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Kolkata bat Guwahati. Ya kani center la Plie do menteri rangba ka jela u Konrad ki sangma ringkat ka jingsa khilang ka menteri ka koi ka khia ka sarkar jela ka Dr. Ampari Lingdo u chief secretary ka jela u ba DP Walang u regional CEO East jongka Apollo Hospital Enterprise Limited u Rana Das Gupta bat kiwe kiwe.
So in these flows are entire diagnostic flow. New machines, all are G machines. All are machines. Then sir, we have this. I can show you this one small thing. We have this vital condition.
Yeah. We are making sure that only. Yeah.
The health sector has been of great importance to us as a government, and you'll be happy to know that in terms of the percentage expenditure of GDP, Meghalaya spends more than 8%, almost 9% of our expenditure of our overall budget, our budget is on healthcare, and that makes us the number one in the country to spend the maximum amount percentage of the budget on healthcare. So this is reflective of the commitment that we have towards health and improvement of the health sector. Please remember, these are not easy things to do. There's a lot of challenges, and we have started at a very kind of a base line was very low for us, and therefore for us to come up from that baseline to where we are moving forward today, it's not about the challenge alone, it's about creating that inertia, creating that momentum, creating that motivation in the team, and that takes a lot of time. And that is something that has happened throughout the structure of governance. It's not just health, but health has seen that move much further. And I'm sure our officials who are present out here will tell you how the health sector is reforming and how the involvement of the officials, involvement of the doctors has been at a different level, which has allowed us to really improve things and see where we are today. And of course, there's a lot more to be done. It's not that we are saying that we have resolved every issue. There's a lot of issue to be resolved, but clearly from where we were and where we are and where we are moving forward to, I can clearly see the direction and seeing that vision that our Chief Secretary had mentioned, that slowly and steadily Meghalaya, especially Shillong of course, will gain that reputation of being able to provide good medical and healthcare services in the days to come. And that's really kind of a goal and a target for us, which drives us. Again, a very big target, but we feel that it can be achieved if we continue this momentum that we're doing.
I believe that this center is such a center of hope. I urge upon both the darbars of Nongram Hill and the darbar of Nongramba to work together on this project, to be on the same page, to not tussle as to who belongs and whose it is. We both need to figure out what do we do with this horrible drain which needs to be covered. And we both have to rally together. As a local representative, sir, I place before your knowledge that if this drain does not get covered, sir, it will unnecessarily cause exposure to all kinds of infections, to all those that will be traveling this road. We must do it, sir. There is no agency in this world that will throw development away on a flimsy notion that this is a water body. So it is the dirtiest of all drains, and it is the only drain left in my constituency that remains uncovered. We have dealt with this matter, sir, before. We have dealt with it in several other locations, where there are a handful of people who for some odd reason do not want to move along with the community and go ahead and see things happening and see how a facility like this can be a blessing to so many families.
Just you don't have to do anything much. Everything is computerized. So therefore I urge all of you to please go and disseminate this very important information that it is a very good facility that we saw being inaugurated, and it could be free if we are registered under MHIS, because we take care of OPD and diagnostics also, which is what this center is all about. Therefore, with that information that I wanted to share with all of you, I come back again and congratulate all the promoters, Apollo, for the partnership that you have executed for this project.